An Ohio Court of Claims ruled today that The Ohio State University violated state public records law when it failed to produce records requested by a former student who was also one of the victims of Dr. Richard Strauss. Stephen Snyder-Hill was one of the first of more than 300 men who came forward to reveal they were sexually abused by the university doctor. But Snyder-Hill alone filed the public records complaint after OSU denied his request for records related to his own assault.
The Court of Claims validated me, and that is the most important thing that I can tell you that I wanted was validation.
This is the report and recommendation from a special master appointed by the Court of Claims to hear Snyder-Hill's complaint that OSU illegally denied access to public records. He asked for the documents in December of 2018, and for months, he says, was stonewalled. The court concludes the university failed to timely produce the records, failed to provide any legal authority for its actions, and admits it deliberately withheld production of the records until an investigative report on Strauss was released.
The university said that they spent 5 months reviewing for 12 pages of documentation. So I did a calculation to the court, and I said, it sounds like about $300,000 worth of resources, of attorney fees that they used just for my documentation.
In a statement to NBC4, the university repeated the argument it made to the court, that it believed releasing the records piecemeal during the Strauss investigation would have re-traumatized survivors.
And then I reminded the court, I said, you know, I'm one of the survivors that they're talking about. They're saying they didn't want to re-traumatize me. I'm telling you, I'm traumatized. I don't like what they've done to me. I think that what they've done is shady.
The public records decision likely will have little impact on the pending lawsuits against the university filed by victims of Strauss. And for his trouble, Snyder-Hill will only get the cost of filing the claim, a check from OSU for $25.
I'm going to frame that, and I'm going to put it on my wall to just tell people that if you believe in something, if you fight, then you can win. And it doesn't matter if they're the big, Goliath and you're the little David. But if you believe in something, you can fight and you can win.
Snyder-Hill's 1994 complaint to the university about being assaulted by Dr. Strauss led eventually to Strauss retiring from the university, but with emeritus status. Snyder-Hill believed at the time he was the only victim, but that independent investigation revealed Strauss abused hundreds of men over a period of 2 decades.